let's move on to our next topic, that is dissolution of partnership. Before knowing what is dissolution of partnership form, let us know dissolution of partnership. So, as said before, dissolution of partnership changes the existing relationship between the partners, but the firm may continue its business as before. In case there is a dissolution of partnership, it only changes the existing relationship of the partners, but the firm can carry out its business as usual. Only there will be change in the relationship of the partners. Now let us know what are the different situations or condition under which the dissolution of partnership takes place. So first one is change in the existing profit sharing ratio. Now let us take an example. Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 1:1. Now a company is required an immediate amount. So what Salman Khan does is he gives the additional amount to the company. Now since Salman Khan is giving an additional amount, obviously the ratio will change because Salman Khan is giving an extra amount. So it may be turned up to 2:1. Here the profit sharing ratio is changing. So that will result in the dissolution of partnership. Then the second condition is admission of a partner. Let us take an example. Bahubali and Dev Sena are partners in a firm. Now they want another partner. So what they do is they admit Katappa as a new partner. Now before there were only two partners, that is Bahubali and Dev Sena. Now a new partner is coming into existence, that is Katappa. Now their relationship is changing. Hence their relationship is changing. There will be dissolution of partnership. Third one is retirement of a partner. Now there are three partners in a firm, Rahul, Meenamma and Tangavali. Now what Tangavali decides is he wants to retire from the firm. So before there were three partners, that is Rahul, Meenamma and Tangavali. Now when Tangavali retires, there are only two partners, that is Rahul and Meenamma. So their relationship here is changing. Before there were three partners, now there are only two partners. So this results in the dissolution of partnership. Fourth one is death of a partner. Example, Rahul, Tina and Anjali are partners in a firm. Now Tina died on April 15. So before there were three partners, Rahul, Tina and Anjali. Now since Tina died, there are only two partners, Rahul and Anjali. So here also the relationship is changing. Before there were only three partners, now there are only two partners. So this results in the dissolution of partnership. The fifth one is insolvency of a partner. Now what is insolvency? Insolvency is unable to pay the debts. If any one of the partners is unable to pay the debts or the liabilities, then dissolution of partnership takes place. Next is completion of a venture. Now a partnership is formed for a joint venture or a venture. Then after completion of that venture, the partnership is dissolved. For example, Deepika Padukone and Priyanka Chopra come together for a project. So after completion of this project, the partnership between the both comes to an end, which leads to dissolution of partnership. Then the seventh situation is expiry of the period of partnership. Now Karthik Aryan and Sara Ali Khan come together for a project, or they come together in a partnership business for 1 year. So after the completion of this 1 year, there is a dissolution of partnership between Karthik Aryan and Sara Ali Khan. So this leads to dissolution of partnership. Hope so you have understood. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Do like the video if it was helpful for you. and subscribe to the channel for upcoming updates. Until next time,
In case of any doubts, confusions, or in case of any guidance with respect to your academics, please reach out to us on the mentioned email address and the WhatsApp number.
bye bye.